How to fix Zoom app not working problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Zoom Cloud Meeting app not working problem solve. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So if your Zoom application, Zoom Cloud Meeting is not working, then this video is absolutely for you. So guys, the first step is you have to check whether your internet connection is okay or not. So if it is okay, then you can check it out and it will work for you. The next step what you can do here is you have to go to Play Store and then search for Zoom. After searching for Zoom, here this type of interface will pop up, and then here you can see update option. Make sure to update your Zoom and then you can try it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, no need to worry. I'm gonna show you the different tricks here. Go to your phone settings and then here scroll down and go to app management. Here you can see here install apps or app management on your device. Here simply tap here and then this type of interface will pop up. So go to app manage and here you can see the list of the application which has been installed to your phone. Simply search for Zoom and here this is the Zoom. So what you need to do, simply click on this force stop button and then you have to stop the force, and then you can see your storage usage. Simply tap on storage usage and then you have to click on clear cache and also as well as clear data. So after doing this, scroll down here and you can see here permission button. Simply tap on this permission button and then you have to allow each and every permission here. So after allowing the permission, you can check it out whether it is working or not. If it is not working, no need to worry. I'm going to show you the next tricks. That is, you have to go to your phone settings again, and then here you will find an option that is software updates. Simply go to software updates and check whether your system is asking for an update or not. If your system is asking for an update, make sure to update your system and then it will work for you. So guys, the last and additional tricks that you can fix the Zoom is what you have to do. You have to let me just search for Zoom. You have to uninstall this Zoom application from your device and then reinstall it, and then after that you have to switch off your phone and re-switch in, and then you can check it out. It will work for you. Thanks for watching. If it is not working, then just comment down me and then I will help for you. Thanks for watching.